actually go?
Don't pull up. Don't let the
Oh my god, our R6 actually crashed into me. Like, what was he thinking? There was going full speed on this. The Ferrari braked for no reason. Another crash. Back me. Hey, BMW M330i, you're not last. Look behind you.
It's because of the crash.
Don't say that, just I'm fast.
right, so everybody is gonna overtake me slowly.
On the right side, right? Right,
Yeah. Someone begin overtaking me.
Oh. That was actually a clean takeover.
Right, so 3 people on there here.
Dunno.
GT4 just crashed. Oh my god, dude.
Did we go the wrong way or?
No.
Alright guys, do it like Formula 1.
Wait, how are people there?
That was my bad because I turned it left and I was first. Sorry.
I actually asked you if we take the wrong way, you said no. Driving backwards left.
Fuck.
Yeah, I didn't saw it too. There was a fucking mirror. Didn't saw it. Coming back to BMW and the Jaguar.
What did you say?
Come on.
Yes, I'm going. I'm trying to. Fuck. Sorry.
No, there was a shit going, even for me. Wait, did we go?
I hope that we are going the right way. I don't think so.
Gustav, did you go up or down?
What do you mean? Where?
You have some. You can go right and then you go down, or you can go left and go up.
After the parking lot, we went right. And then after that, we went left, I think.
All right, then we good.
Okay. Amazing.
I think.
Wait, I think we went left after the parking lot.
No, we went left and you went right.
Never mind. I think that we will find you.
Okay,
I hope.
That's too.
But Thomas, I think we are on the wrong way.
I don't know. I don't have a map.
I have
I
the
will just.
but I don't see any players.
I will just go fast.
I'm going by you, so
Yeah, you can't keep up with this jack. I just put off the limiter.
trying to.
Yeah, you won't. This car can go 400 plus.
I tried the maximum speed on this BMW and I think I went 270. So, but I like this car in the turns and it drifts so good. This M135.
Are you on the airport, Gustav?
Nope.
Or did you go through a city?
Didn't go through a city.
Shit.
I actually think we're heading to pits again.
So are we going to pits or?
I don't know.
Me and the BMW are now on the highway. Highway, I mean airport. BMW just respawn at pits. Just
Okay.
hopefully they will come here. Alright, we stop here so you can see Alright. If they come, they come. Or
Yeah, I think we're almost at pits.
are you?
We're behind the pits.
Behind or under?
I see you on the map.
Yeah.
You are actually in the exit.
With a GT2. Oh no. Oh yeah, I see you. Alright. Just wait there when they
Okay.
Oh, they're waiting for us. Alright. Alright, we also in the cruise again. Gustav, are you also don't know, I just saw it too. Like the fuck. Yeah, this width limiter. I'm now doing 180 miles an hour. And this is without. Right corner. Not much better. Look out for this corner, guys. It goes to a fast corner to a very slow corner. Alright, everybody, let everybody keep
The people in the front is
Yeah, we already blocking the way for us, so they slow down. Speed is 160 kilometers. Already slowing down. 150. Don't let anybody pass. We are regrouping. Alright, someone just overtook us and made me crash. Like, how? Fucking.
That the C63 is one.
No, Porsche 911.
That's like 311.
No, they actually only a Carrera. And it's. Oh yeah, so why is everybody speeding up like? The fuck, slow down. You're fucking cruising at 180. Nice cruise. We'll just go behind you. Your stuff.
The Mercedes is again overtaking, so careful.
If you're not overtaking, go to the left. Right is for overtaking. So don't just stick on the right if you're not overtaking it. Yeah, already slowing down a bit. Just want to show the Ferrari just not to stick on the right side. See, Gustav, I'm not that fast. Everybody is just going.
If we could stop at this together, but people are just going through it.
Yeah, because they're not enforced yet. That's what I really don't like. They want to join a cruise, but they don't go enforce you. You only have to listen. closing up at my rear window.
Aren't you braking? Or are you just rolling?
I'm not braking, this is brake.
Yeah, your indicators are on, by the way.
Oh. Yeah, I don't have anything on my dash with
I know.
indicators. Well, bye, Gustav. That was not even full. I don't want to. I think everybody is boring of the speeding.
Wait, how many just...
Trying to get the group together.
Well, how many just went over there right now?
I don't know. They're slowly coming back on the wrong way. Alright, that GT is tuned.
Yeah.
Don't just go all the way to the right if you're not overtaking all of them. Just go one lane, otherwise you can hit somebody. And this is for the Mercedes C-Class. Are we going straight or left here?
Just go straight. Flash this 660.
Yeah, he's on the very right lane. You need to drive in the middle. Alright, now he's sticking to the other. Alright, I'm in.
You almost just crashed. You can run.
You don't even see me when I'm driving fast. Go to the middle lane.
I think the Scuderia just flew off the map.
I'm gonna. What the fuck is that C-Class doing? We don't know even the rules. Corner. Very tight corner, guys.
Oh shit.
Haha, they crash.
Yeah, Forza has crashed.
Yeah.